Hello everybody, my name is Hamza and this is going to be Storytime Part 20. Yes. Well, obviously I'm serious. Well, this is going to be Storytime Part 20 about Miss Beck, told me not to visit in the library anymore because I just came for a freaking visit. I mean, I just came, for a visit. We all felt this already way, but yeah. So let's get this straight. Miss Beck, Karen Beck, I am very, very disappointed at you. Tell me not to go to the third floor without supervision or permission, whatever this called. But I came here to visit in the third floor after I'm done helping out with the kids. Stupid or what? And then Miss Beck was telling me in a serious, furious way. Yeah, and then she was basically so yeah, so yeah. And I'm not trying to, get, be, in a whole new level. She was serious. And she was disappointed and she was telling me not to visit in the third floor anymore. Just Miss Cody's like I just want to visit Miss Cody and, get this, guys. I want to work in the library I've been working in the library for 2 years. And then she didn't let me. And then, how did well, I was like crying and then never come back again. And like Miss Beck, she was trying to be stupid and, she wants to, tell me not to go to the third floor and not visit in the library anymore. And thinking that it was a bad choice. Miss Beck, don't you dare tell me what to do and not visit to the third floor. I totally am. You're lucky that I'm gonna get the principal, okay? And you are gonna get fired for good. Wanna let that happen again? Cause I totally am. Don't you ever bring up on me, and don't you ever tell me not to visit the library ever again. Okay? Stupid idiot, Miss Beck. Yeah, that's right. I'm not joking. I'm totally am. And I bet Maddie Noon's gonna be really disappointed on Miss Beck. I'm totally am. My friendship Maddie. And yeah, I was like upset and crying, and she said, "Who bring you there?" Like that one. Like in the disappointed, furious way. Who told you to go in the library? Like I was like concerning it, and like she was concerning and suspicious. And she was disappointed because of me. I'm like not visiting a library no more. Like this needs to put an end to it and stop. And otherwise, and I blame Miss Beck. We all blame Miss Beck, Karen Beck, okay? So yeah, I get that, I know Miss Beck wants to be stupid and then she wants to be in La La Land. But yeah. But seriously, Miss Beck, can get a life, and she needs to get out of my face. Miss Beck, I hope you get fired for good. And bye-bye. You're leaving, and you're fired. Miss Beck, don't you ever do that again to me, or we will call the principal for good. And get out of my face too, cause I can slap you, I can punch you and I punch you in the eye. Okay? Anyways, guys, that's it for Story Time Part 20. Told me not to visit the third floor ever again. And I hope she should teach her a lesson, not to tell me what to do and go to the third floor ever again. Because I've been working in the library for 2 years, and then she did not let me go to the library. Even though I saw Miss Brittany Flesto. She's a nice person. She's a nice person, and I will never ever go easy on Miss Flesto again with Storytime Part 21. But anyways, yeah. Anyways, guys, make sure you subscribe, turn on that bell, stay notified, and yeah. And my premiere will be I don't know. 8 days, yeah, 8 days. And stay tuned for more, okay? So yeah. Anyways, that's it.